In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gifs to Paperform in 2025 through a simple step-by-step process. This guide will walk you through effortlessly integrating dynamic visual content into your forms to enhance engagement and make them more visually appealing. To get started, make sure you have your Paperform editor open and a specific question or text area selected where you'd like to insert your GIF. This is where the fun begins as you bring a touch of animation to your form. Once you have your desired spot identified, go ahead and click on it. This action will prepare that section for the magic of GIF insertion. Now let's dive into the integration. Type the command AGY directly into the editor. This command is a shortcut that brings up the Giphy integration in a drop-down menu. By selecting Giphy, you gain access to a vast library of lively GIFs ready to be chosen and embedded into your form. Alternatively, if you prefer a more visual route, you can click on a blank space within the editor. From here, look for and select the Add Picture icon. This icon typically resembles a small image or photograph, an intuitive symbol for adding visual content. Once you click on it, the Giphy option should be visible, allowing you to select it and proceed with your GIF selection. With Giphy now integrated into your editor, the next step is a delightful one, searching for your desired GIF. Whether you have a specific scene, mood, or reaction in mind, you can type keywords into the search box provided. This step allows for creative flexibility, enabling you to choose a GIF that perfectly complements the tone and theme of your form. Simply browse through the options, and once you find the perfect match, all that's left is to select it. Now with your chosen GIF highlighted, it's time to complete the process by inserting it into your form. The seamless integration means that at this point, your selected GIF will automatically appear in the designated area, bringing your static form to life with engaging animation. There you have it. Your form now features a dynamic GIF, enhancing both its aesthetic appeal and its ability to engage anyone who interacts with it. This simple yet effective method ensures that anyone using your form will be met with captivating visuals, adding a touch of personality and flair to your paper form. As you can see, adding GIFs to Paperform is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the visitor experience. By following these steps, you can ensure your forms are not only informative, but also engaging and visually compelling. So go ahead, try it out, and watch your Paperform become both an effective tool and a vibrant canvas for creativity.